Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about recovery facilities, part of database management system course. Recovery facilities are tools and techniques that are used in a database to restore the database to a consistent state after a failure or error. There are several types of recovery facilities that can be used in a database, such as checkpointing. Checkpointing is a technique that involves periodically saving the state of the database to stable storage, such as a hard drive. This allows the database to be restored to a consistent state after a failure. A transaction log is a record of all the changes made to the database during a transaction. By using transaction logs, a database can be restored to a consistent state by rolling back incomplete transactions and replaying completed transactions after a failure. Backup and restore is a technique that involves creating a copy of the database and storing it in a separate location, such as on a different server or on a tape drive. If the database becomes corrupted or lost, it can be restored from the backup copy. Replication is a technique that involves maintaining multiple copies of the database and synchronizing the copies to ensure that they are consistent with each other. If one copy of the database becomes corrupted or lost, it can be restored from one of the other copies. It is important to carefully consider the recovery facilities that are appropriate for a particular database and to implement and test them to ensure that the database can be restored to a consistent state after a failure or error. Recovery facilities can impact the performance and scalability of a database, so it is important to choose them wisely and to use them efficiently. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.